Oh, it's me, Mario! Alrighty, here we are at the park. Beautiful day, some beautiful flowers here. And we are at the flight facility where we will be testing my new private jet. If you're watching this video right now, I want you to come ride with me on my private jet. You're invited. Oh, the first toss was a success. This is a sweet little plane I got. I built it myself, put it together myself. I did it all myself. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh my gosh! He lost a wing. He lost both wings. Jeez, what the hell happened with this plane? All right. Air Hogs airplane. Flight number 6, test 1. Oh! Oh! Good work, airplane. What a plane toss. Nice landing. Nice landing. We're gonna see if we can keep it low. Yes, we can. Don't stop swinging.